issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lamar County in north central Texas, northeastern Fannin County in north central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:47 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Crockett Lake, 421 miles northeast of Bonham, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, Lake Crook, Powderly, Sumner, Crockett Lake, Arthur City, Coffee Mill Lake, Pat Mays Lake, Camp Maxie, Lake Gibbons, Novice, Telephone, Mid-City, Direct, Globe, Elwood, East Direct, Monkstown, Forest Chapel, and Garrett's Bluff. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.